first time here with my couple. Love all the slides here. Easy redemption with Day app. Easy to claim. Just need to scan the barcode and you're good to enjoy everything. Nice and cool, will come again. Greatest and nicer, will come again. The most fun night waterpark, many projects can be played, no need to queue for a long time. Very nice to picnic with family, friend and group. It was a rainy day, but can't stop our passion to the night event DJ. Facilities superb, we enjoy the moment. It and number 39, a pity that there were too many people and the queue was too long. However, the first time I experienced the water park at night, the time was too short. It would be better if it was longer. I am very happy and thank they for the RM10 coupons. The evening version was fun. Although there were too many people and you had to queue, it was an opportunity to get to know your friends better. It was raining on the day. Other than that, it was good. Glad to receive a lot of discounts. Hope to get more discounts in the future. A fun day with family in SplashMania. Great games to spend my energy. Great experience with the fun music in the pool. It and number 39, really crazy, but the service is fast and the best. Good and the best. It's very easy to use. It and number 39, quite cold at night. Many people recommend buying a full day ticket on weekends. Evening tickets are not enough for fun. Very best, but not all attractive can play because many of people. The lifeguard is very good and nice if I may extend my time a little. Very amazing, hope there will be many more promos given by Day. The queue waiting time is too long.